Well, hey there, folks. Welcome on back. This here's Jarlof's first ever airbrush painting, and I figured what better subject than a Warhammer 40K Space Marine. I started out with just a point .0 brush from Michael's Arts and Crafts. Then I tried a Paasche Vision I fixed up from a pre-owned mess. I thought I was doing real good too. Typical dadgum fashion. I busted it up again and had to switch on back to that trusty point .0 to finish this job on later. Of course, it worked all smooth sailing. Halfway through, that airbrush went haywire and spit out a glob so big it started raining down the middle of that daggum painting, just like the Mississippi River, boys. You know the one, the Mississippi River itself. Paint was flooding everywhere, everywhere. Looked more like a natural disaster than a space marine. So I had to stop, wipe it down, shake my head around, and start fresh a little bit. First time with an airbrush, you really just gotta laugh at the messes as much as the wins, and there's a whole lot of wins. So now, when I picture this Marine I painted, he wasn't just standing stiff now. No, sir. I saw him twisting quick, armor catching the light, bolt gun snapping up like he just caught a sight of a space bug crawling out the door. That's where some of the oldhammer inspiration came in too, y'all. That vintage style with the goofy proportions, poses a little wild, but a whole lot more fun and carefree. And honestly, that's how life goes too. It's the quirks, the slip-ups, the stuff a little off-kilter that end up giving it all more character. Well, as we wrap up here with the still shots here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the ride, and toss me suggestions for what character I ought to airbrush next. I just might take on that big old troll from Valheim. So I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you all next time for another dadgum painting misadventure.